Okay, hello there. It's me again, Sebastian from MRTV at the Pimax headquarters in Shanghai. And because many of you wanted me to try DCS, so here I am in DCS World and giving it a try here in the Pimax Crystal. Now, yeah, it's it's starting to get a bit boring, but it does look absolutely fantastic again. It looks absolutely great here. The cockpit looks super sharp. I can read all the gauges, everything. Yep, it is again aero clarity with an index-like FOV, with a really nice FOV. I can see the reflections in the windshields here. Very nice, very good. So, unfortunately, what I don't see right now is the FPS. So, could I ask somebody from the Pimax team to start?
Yes.
Yeah, FPS VR. And also, I would need to know the graphic settings of this. Do you remember, like, the settings, the graphic settings? Is it the VR graphic settings or high settings, medium settings?
High settings.
High settings, okay. Yeah, it does look better than.
No, actually, I don't think it's very high setting.
Yeah, but it looks pretty good. Let's have a look here at the city. Yeah, we have to double check that later, like what are the settings actually like. So it is pretty stable, but I don't think it's like 60 FPS or something. Should be less than that. Do you see the FPS? Did somebody start something?
Yeah. You can try the left control.
Ah, yeah, here. Oh, yeah, okay. 37, yes. So we have 37 FPS. And this is the 4090, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, it looks good. You know best yourself what's it like with 37 FPS. And if you can enjoy that, let's see. We have the settings to 100%. So we have 100% here, 4,312 by 5,104 pixels. It's very high. You could actually totally turn that down if you wanted, and it would probably look equally good. So, all right. Let's go to the settings and just have a look at the graphical settings. Okay.
It's on high.
Oh, it's on high. Okay.
Is that also applied to the VR? Pixel density?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, right. So as you can tell, most of the stuff is in VR. Is in high. Okay.
You want to try again with lower?
Yeah, actually, why not? Let's do a like.
Especially clouds and.
There is a VR setting on the bottom. You can just use the preset here. VR on the bottom. Click VR.
I can barely see it.
On the.
Because it's skewed.
Ah, okay.
You take the mouse. Yeah. No. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that's the. Okay, now I'm on the VR standard setting. Let's try now. I can do it. Fly. Okay. And here we are again. Oh, I need FPS VR. Could you start it again? So, let's see it again now with VR settings turned on. And here we go. Oh yeah, that looks already much better. So yeah, now with the VR settings turned on, we get around 60 FPS. Average FPS, it says 67.3, but going down, so looks more like 60 FPS, which is very, very doable, especially if you would see the visuals, the clarity of the panels and the lenses. Looks really good. So I've flown over this city so many times with all the different headsets. And now again with the Crystal. Yep, 60 FPS. VR settings. 4090 computer. Yep, flight simmers will enjoy this for sure. So I truly believe for racing simmers and flight simmers, this is a big recommendation. Ooh. And, oh. Dangerous flying here. All right. I know many of you wanted to see it. DCS World. Now you saw it. Again, 60 FPS, 4090 VR settings. Looks as good as no other headset. And I hope that this video was helpful for you. If yes, give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV and want more VR goodness, then subscribe to this channel, click on the bell button so that you don't miss anything. And I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.